Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, regarding the application of CAPF, sir,
Yeah, tell me.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Vinay.
Sir, it's asking about the age relaxation, sir. What should we give, sir? Should we give
See,
yes
if
or
you are
no,
in
sir?
general category, there is no age relaxation. If you are in other OBC category, then there will be age relaxation.
No, sir. There has been a given option, sir. Yes or no. So I gave no, sir. I'm from OBC, sir.
No. Try to give yes. Try to give yes.
Sir, then I submitted the application, sir.
Now it's over, huh?
Yes, sir. Like the part one process is being completed, and I have to just pay for it, sir.
Okay, then no problem. Go ahead with it. Not an issue. Not a problem. You go ahead with it. Okay, chalo. Take down the first question for today. 64 to the power minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 32 to the power of minus 4 by 5. Yes, what's the answer?
3 by 2, sir.
Okay, let us do it. 60. I'm going to do with 2 now. This will be 32. Then this will be 16. Then this will be 8.
To the power of 6, sir.
This will be 2. And this will be 1. So it's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 64 can be written as 2 to the power of
To the
6.
power of
This is minus 1 by 2. And this minus 32, here it will become plus. This will become 2 to the power of 5 to the power of minus 4 by 5. Okay. Now I'm just going to focus on this first term. Okay. The first term. What happens with the first term? When I open it, I know the property a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. So this will be 2 to the power of 6 into minus 1 by 2. In the same way, the second term here, it becomes 2 to the power of 5 into minus 4 by 5. Okay, now I am going to cancel it. So 2 ones are, 2 threes are, this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled. So this will be 2 to the power of minus 3 plus 2 to the power of minus 4. Correct? This is what I am getting. Next step, what happens? This 2 to the power of minus 3. Okay, this can be written as 1 by 2 by 3. Okay, so in the same way, this 2 to the power of minus 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. Now, if you see this carefully, this denominator, I am going to take the LCM. So the LCM here, it will be 2 to the power of 4. And here it will be 2 plus 1. So this will be 3 to the power of 16. Answer is 3 by 16.
yes, sir.
Yes, you got it, boys. Sukhbir, Vikram,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abhirami.
Yes, sir. Getting
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just copy it down. I'll give you next question.
Last second step, sir.
Second last step. Okay. This step you are asking, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See what I'm going to do. 1 by 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 by 2 to the power of 4. This I got it. Correct. So what is 2 to the power of 3? That is 1 by 8. Okay. And what is 2 to the power of 4? This is 16. Correct. Now when you take the LCM between 8 and 16, you will get 16 as the LCM. Correct. So now what happens when you take the LCM for this? Here it will be 2 plus 1 divided by 16. That is equal to 3 by 16. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So we'll move to the next question. Just a minute. The next question is 18 to the power of 3.5 divided by 27 to the power of 3.5 into 6 to the power of 3.5 is equal to 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of x. Find the answer. How much it is? What is the value of x? Getting the answer? Keep doing it. I'll check your notes.
Sir, x का value 7 है sir.
X का value 7. Okay, we'll check.
7, sir.
Okay. See, those who are not getting, let us solve the first term here. That is 18 3.5. Okay. So first this 3.5 I can write it as 35 by 10. Okay, keep this in mind. Or otherwise I can keep it as 3.5. Just a simple calculation here. This 18 I'm going to simplify. 2 9s are, then 3 3s are, then 3 1s are. So what happens? 18 can be written as 3 square into 2. Okay, 3 square into 2. So now this will become 3 square into 2 to the power of 3.5. So when I open this bracket, okay, when I open this bracket, so what happens? This 3 square will be multiplied to 3.5 and this 2 will be separately multiplied to 3.5. So what happens here now? This 3 to the power of 2 into 3.5, this will become 3 to the power of 7 and this 2 it will become 3.5. Okay, and now the next symbol is division. Okay, so whole divided by 27, we know it is 3 to the power of 3. Okay, and now this is 3 to the power of 3 into 3.5. So now what happens? 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3.5. I can write it like this. Next, into this 6 can be written as 3 into 2 to the power of 3.5 is equal to 2x. Okay, otherwise the same this thing can be written as, just a minute, I'll simplify it. 3 to the power of 3.5 and 2 to the power of 3.5. This I have written. Okay, now I can take this one. Okay, 3 to the power of 7 and this one I can add. So 3 to the power of 7 into 3 to the power of 3.5 into 2 to the power of 3.5 into 2 to the power of 3.5 whole divided by 3 to the power of, this will be 10.5, correct, is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now if you see carefully, I can add this 2. Okay, this 7 plus 3.5, this will become 10.5. 3 to the power of 10.5 into 2 to the power of 7 whole divided by 3 to the power of 10.5 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now if you see this two thing, 3 to the power of 10.5, 3 to the power of 10.5 will get cancelled. 2 to the power of 7 is equal to 2 to the power of x. So the value of x is equal to 7. How many of you got 7?
Sir.
Sir, for me.
Okay, good, good. Keep doing it. You can copy it down now.
திரும்பி ஆண்டா வரீங்க ஐயா.
Next question. 25 to the power of 7.5, 25 to the power of 7.5 into 5 to the power of 2.5 divided by 125 to the power of 1.5 is equal to 5 to the power of x. Find the value of x. You getting it? Keep doing it fast.
सर x का वैल्यू 13 है सर.
इसका वैल्यू 13 चेक करेंगे.
ठीक है
या
Sir, 13, sir.
You're getting 13. Fine.
Yes, sir.
We'll try to do it. This 25 I can write it as 5 square. Now eyes on the screen, everyone. Try to concentrate on the screen. 25 can be written as 5 square and this 7.5 as it is. Okay, and this 5 to the power of 2.5 as it is. This is division sign. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it down and this 125, I know it can be written as 5 to the power of 3. So here what happens, 5 to the power of 3 to the power of 1.5, correct? This is equal to 5 to the power of x. Now if you see this carefully, here the first term I have to multiply. So what happens, 5 to the power of 2 into 7.5 into 5 to the power of 2.5 whole divided by, now these two terms I have to multiply, that is 5 to the power of 4.5 is equal to 5 to the power of x, right? Okay, so now here the term becomes 5 to the power of 15 into 5 to the power of 2.5 whole divided by 5 to the power of 4.5 is equal to 5 to the power of x. Now I know the property a to the power of m, a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Using that property, I'm going to add 15 plus 2.5. I'm going to add this. And I know another property, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So here the denominator will become minus, okay, into 5 to the power of minus 4.5. Otherwise, in this step itself, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this as minus 4.5. Okay, minus 4.5. And this whole term is equal to 5 to the power of x. So when you equate this, you'll get the answer as 13 is equal to x. That is the right answer. Keep doing it. Those who are not getting, just copy it down faster.
Getting, sir. Copy it, sir.
Next question is on the screen. You can take it down.
Sir, x value 2.
X value you're getting 2.
2, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us check it. We know a property. Eyes on the screen now, everyone. Try to look on the screen. Concentrate. I know a property that is a to the power of b, a by b to the power of minus m. If it is given like this, I can write this as b by a to the power of m. This power will become positive. Okay, so I'm going to apply the same method here. The question they have given that a by b x minus 1 and this b by a. Okay, this term, this question b by a, when I write it as a by b, this will become 3 minus x, or I can say this will become minus of x minus 3. So when I open the bracket, this will become minus x plus 3. That is none other than 3 minus x. So I'm writing like this. Okay. So now what I am getting is that this a by b, this a by b is both same. So x minus 1 is equal to 3 minus x. Now this minus x will go to left hand side. When this minus x goes to left hand side, this will become x plus x, and this minus 1, when it comes to right hand side, this will become 3 plus 1. So x plus x is 2x, 3 plus 1 is 4, x will become 4 by 2. The answer is 2. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is the right answer.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, by equating LHS is equal to RHS and cross multiplying, we'll be getting the same answer, sir.
LHS is equal to RHS and cross multiplying. Like in
Yes,
what
sir.
sense you are talking, like cross
Sir,
multiplying?
like if we'll be splitting A by B is equal to A power x minus 1 and B power x minus 1.
Hmm.
And on the right hand side, A
Okay,
power
okay,
3
okay. I
minus,
understood. Correct. You are telling like
we'll get the
this:
same answer.
x minus 1 and b to the power of x minus 1. You are telling like this, right?
Yes, sir.
b
Yes, sir.
minus x, and this will become b3 minus x.
B,
Okay.
yes,
So
sir.
now I'll take this a x minus 1 divided by a 3 minus x. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And this bx minus 1 b3 minus x. You are telling like this, right? Yeah, this is also
Yes,
right
sir.
method. So minus 3 plus x, this will become bx minus 1 minus 3 plus x. So here what happens now, a and b are equal, so this will become 2x minus 4,
4.
and this will also become 2x minus
Become
4.
2x minus 4.
Yeah, so
Then
2x
2x minus 4.
is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
0, so
0.
x is equal to 4 by 2, answer is 2. Correct, this is also right method.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So take down next question. Ready? Two to the power of 2n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 8 to the power of n minus 3. N minus 3. Find n is equal to how much?
Sir, n value 2.
N value 2. We'll check it now. Okay. Now this is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. Okay. So let me first try to solve the right hand side. This 8 to the power of n minus 3. This 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. Correct? 2 to the power of 3. This is n minus 3. So what happen is 3n minus this will be 9. Correct? 2 to the power of 3n minus 9. So what happens here is 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3n minus 9. So now I am going to solve the question. So this 2 to the power of 3n minus 9, when it goes to the numerator, it will become minus. Okay, minus 3n minus 9. 2 to the power of minus 3n minus 9, or I can write it as 9 minus 3n. Okay, now this is my final stage of the RHS. Now I am going to equate it. The left hand side they have given as 2 to the power of 2n minus 1, and right hand side they have given as 2 to the power of 9 minus 3n. Okay, so I get 2 and this both are equal. Okay, so this 2 and this 2 is equal, they have given it. So what I am going to do, 2n minus 1, 9 minus 3n. Okay, so when this 3n will go to left hand side, it will become plus 2n plus 3n is equal to minus 1. When it comes to RHS, it will become 9 plus 1. 2n plus 3n is 5n. 9 plus 1 is 10. So n is equal to 10 by 5. That is equal to 2. So n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 is the right answer. Okay. Ready for the next question? 5 to the power of n is equal to 3125. Okay, 3125. Then find the value of 5 to the power of n minus 3. N minus 3.
25 है सर
25 चेक करेंगे, रुको रुको जरा।
Sir, 25, sir.
This 3125, what I can write it is 5 to the power of, how much you're getting? 3125,
5, sir. 5.
5 sir
5 to the power of 5, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this n is equal to 5 here. Got it? So now I'm going to substitute this here. That is 5 to the power of 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 square is 25. 25 is the right answer. Okay, those who don't understand, sir, how to simplify this 3125, you can go with 5 table. This you will get 625, correct? 625. Then this you will get it as 125. Then this you will get it as 25. Then 5, then 5, 1. So like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the power of 5. Got it, boys? Are you finding it easy? Okay, now it is time 7:40. Okay, take a break for 5 to 10 minutes, and after 5 to 10 minutes, we'll continue with this chapter. Take a break.